Hi all and welcome back to our channel. Today we shall showcase the Force Motors Traveler. It's a very popular LCV in the segment. Very well known to the commercial vehicle industry due to its versatile nature. Seen here is the Traveler. It comes in other variants like the minibus, the school bus, the ambulance, as it's got a lot of versatility. This specific model is pretty well detailed as can be seen. The Traveler is based on the Mercedes T1 range. The Traveler earlier was launched in 1987 in the Indian markets under the brand Tempo Traveler. This vehicle was using the Mercedes engine previously. In the new generation Travelers, we can see that Force has developed a 2.6 liter engine specifically based on the Mercedes engine that supports this specific aspect. Let's get into the unboxing. This is an official licensed product from Force Motors. This is a 1/24 scale. It is very well detailed for a LCV. It's got all the graphics needed, including the wheels and hubcaps as can be seen. Let's now move into our garage. The white body paint is excellent as can be seen here. The Traveler with the side body graphics looks amazing. The stance very nice. The overall build quality of this 1/24 scale is very good. Force has done a fantastic job with this beauty. Seen here is the side profile with the doors open. Even the glass is tinted. The front grille and the clear headlights that showcase the Force Motors symbol are very nice to see. It's a pretty boxy grille. Let's now move on to the rear of the Traveler. Even the emergency exit is well detailed. We can see the decals with the air suspension written there. The tires and wheels with their hubcaps are pretty detailed as can be seen here. The driver's cabin is pretty clean and well detailed. We can see even the step ladder here in the passenger side. The gear knobs, the overall steering wheel are pretty well detailed for the scale that we are seeing here. The interiors, as we can see, have all the seating arrangements as a normal Traveler would have. These two are pretty well detailed as can be seen. Overall, the interiors are well equipped. We can also see the lighting system in these shots here, which are aligned to the overall roof. Overall, Force has done a fantastic job with this Traveler. What I would have liked additionally would be the rear opening doors and the bonnet, which could have some more detailing. Thank you for watching this. Please do share, like and subscribe.